Welcome guys. Let's do Chainlink technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please watch this video until end because in this video I am going to show you my charts and my price targets. So please watch this video until end and please press the like button right now. And if you want to get these bonuses, Binance $700 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. These are the links. These are my referral links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can get these bonuses. And you can find these links in this video's description and in this video's comment section too. Let's dive into the content and let me please show you my first chart. This is Chainlink 4 hourly chart in USDT pair and it is Pmex chart. Currently it is in this ascending wedge, and you can say ascending wedge, and it is at $32.11 right now. This is upper trend line, this is the down trend line, and it is about to touch this, and it touched this up. Maybe we may see that kind of action. Let me please show you. Maybe. And once it broke this area, in that case, it will be bullish. We have to watch this very carefully until it break this in that case, because there is a very huge resistance in that area. It is at $32.10 to $32.15 price area. Once it broke this area, this price level, in that case our next target will be this area, and it is at 35.33, and after that this will be the next area to trade. It is $36 price area. We have to watch it very carefully. If it break this area, in that case definitely $35 is coming and $36 price level is coming. And if it rejected from that zone, in that case our support level is this zone, $29 price area. And if I show you technically target of support and resistance base, in that case it can easily hit this zone, and it can easily hit $34 to $35 price area. But all eyes are on this level. This level is very important, $32 price range. Let me please show you EMA ribbon for more clear view. Let me please show you. Candles are above, and this EMA ribbon is now turning as a support zone, and that is a very good sign. And let me please hide this. And let me please show you RSI. 4 hourly RSI is at 70. It is extreme bullish. That is meaning price is going down. And 4 hourly MACD crossover above happen, and it is towards upside, and towers are appearing, green towers. That is meaning that price definitely will go up. But we have to watch this level very carefully. If it rejected from that zone, in that case it can go down to $29.80 price area, 29.77, this area. Let me please show you daily chart. In daily it is in this ascending wedge, or you can say ascending triangle, sorry, it is not ascending wedge. Here you can see it respected this trend line very much, and now it is at $32 price area, and it is also creating a W pattern. If you look at this very carefully, in that case it is about to break this, the neckline of this W pattern. Let me please show you. This is the neckline of this W pattern. If this happens, in that case daily closing is very important. In that case next target will be like this, and it will break this main horizontal resistance, which is at $36 price area. In that case our target will be this $43 price area, and after that this will be the target. These are two targets. but for this it have to break this neckline and it have to break this main horizontal resistance of $36. If this happens, then this main horizontal resistance will turn into support, and after that price will go like this. This is the possible scenario, and this is the chart. This is what the charts are telling us. And the chart is telling us another pattern, and it is about to the target of this ascending triangle. The target of this ascending triangle is a $65 price area. Once it broke this area, $36 price area with heavy volume, with strong volume. Let me please show you the volume. Volume is definitely good, and that is a very, very good sign. And let me please show you EMA ribbon, daily EMA ribbon. Daily EMA ribbon is now turning as a support. That is very good sign. And let me please show you my main indicator, CPR indicator. These yellow lines are three major CPR lines, and it break these CPR main levels. That is the meaning that it have to hit these targets. This blue line is first bullish target, monthly CPR bullish target 1. Monthly CPR bullish target is 2 is $42. Monthly CPR bullish target 3 is $48. These are the targets. Now let me please zoom this, and let me please show you how it is possible. Let me please show you. Here you can see, because these three yellow lines are support lines of monthly CPR main lines. Now these lines will turn into support if price drops if price fails to break this, and if price drops, in that case this will turn into a support, and after that we may see that kind of action. Now this area is very, very important, $28 price area. Note down this area, because it is the main CPR level, support level. And note down these areas too for the trade. And let me please show you my next chart. This is the weekly chart, and here you can see it is the first horizontal resistance is at it is about to break this horizontal resistance, which is $32.80, $85. After that, the second target is $53 price area, and this is the support zone, $18.92, and also it is the support zone, this area. Now what is next? If it broke this level, in that case our next target will be this area. According to the support and resistance theory, $46.61 will be the next target if it broke $32 or $33 price area and close daily candle above this. Then it will turn into support, and maybe we may see that kind of action. After that it will go down to retest, and after that it will touch this zone. This is the possible scenario, and you have to wait for this. I think it can easily happen because it is very, very bullish. But if unfortunately it rejected from that zone, in that case this is the main support line. This area is also support line, and this area is also a support line. These are two support lines. $28 price area is very, very important. Why? Let me please show you. Because of this CPR main CPR support is at $28 price area. That is why $28 support area is very, very important. Okay, and let me please show you fib levels to trade. I want to show you this from the beginning of this year. Let me please find this, because I want to show you the exact targets. This is the beginning, and we have to now let me please arrange this. Here you can see it is about to break 0.5, very important level, $32 price level. Once it broke this area, next area is 0.38 and it is at $37 price area, and after that this area, and it will be hit the all-time high, and it is at $53 price area. But now this area is very important, $32 price area. If it break this area, in that case $28 price area is very important support. And according to the weekly support and Fibonacci level, 27.46, you can say $28 is very important area to hold, and this is very important area. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, please share this video with all of your friends and crypto community. Once it break this $32 price area, 0.5 Fibonacci level, 0.38 Fibonacci level is the next target, and it is at $37 price area. After that, $43 price area is our target. And if you want to get these bounces, go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. You can collect $700 bonus of Binance, $1,200 bonus of Remax, $3,500 bonus of Bybit, $100 bonus of KuCoin, and $170 bonus of Huobi. But the only condition is that you have to register with my affiliate link. You can find these links in this video's comment section and in this video's description too. Click on this link, create your accounts, and after initial deposit and verification, you can get these bonuses. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.